Today, we're making a homemade corned beef hash. This hearty breakfast is packed with juicy flavor from the corned beef and just makes for a delicious breakfast surprise. Not only is it yummy to eat, but it's quite easy to make. We got potatoes, scrambled eggs, corned beef, and fresh parsley. I love getting this dish at diners, but the cost of food these days is ridiculous. Making this at home not only saved me money, but it tastes so good. If you want to level this dish up, you can even air fry the potatoes to get them extra crispy. Corned beef is such an iconic part of a special breakfast dish, and this recipe will not disappoint. So pull out your cast iron skillet, and let's get cooking. We'll use 2 pounds of corned beef. Start by mixing the seasoning package with 2 tablespoons of brown mustard and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix. And then brush onto our corned beef, coating the top and sides. Be sure to place this beef on a large piece of aluminum foil that will then wrap fully closed. Wrap it all together. And then load this into the air fryer set to 365 degrees Fahrenheit and allow to cook for 1.5 to 2 hours. Then we'll dice 5 pounds of Idaho potatoes. Russet potatoes can also be used. Toss with 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. After 1.5 to 2 hours in the air fryer, our corned beef is ready to dice. Dice all 2 pounds and set aside. Be sure to give it a nibble as well because it tastes delicious. Then dice 1 sweet onion and set aside. On a cast iron skillet set to medium-high heat, add some oil, and then add our sweet onion and allow to sweat. Then add some of the corned beef and potatoes. Add half a teaspoon of freshly crushed pepper. Allow to brown without touching for 5 minutes. Then toss and wait another 5 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked through, we can set this aside and repeat for the rest of the remaining toppings. Then we can scramble 6 eggs. And add to the mix. And boom, we have a homemade corned beef hash. This is delicious. Whether you're making bed and breakfast or just meal prepping, corned beef hash is a great option. Corned beef is such an iconic flavor that you can't resist. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite breakfast food is. We'll see you next time.